Hello everyone, so welcome back again. আজি লৈ আছো তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে ইকনমিক্স কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন যিখিনি আমি প্ৰিভিয়াছ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰৰ পৰা কালেক্ট কৰিছোঁ চ' এভৰিৱানছ তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো লাষ্টলৈকে চাবা কাৰণ সেইটো তোমালোকৰ ফাইনেল এক্সামৰ কাৰণে বহুতেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় চ' প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো চোৱা হোৱাট ইজ ইণ্টাৰমিডিয়েট গুড goods used in the production of other goods and service during the same accounting year are called intermediate goods. Example raw materials, fuel, etc. যিখিনি not ready for use. সেইখিনি হল intermediate goods আৰু যিখিনি final goods হয় সেইটো ready to use হয় মানে intermediate goods মানে final goods নহয় final goods মানে intermediate goods নহয় okay সেইটো মনত ৰাখিবা তোমালোকে And next question so if MPS equal 1 what is the value of MPC we know MPC plus MPS equal 1 so if MPS equal 1 MPC equal 0 yeah eniko question ahe je what is the value of MPC kenuka hibo pare and what is the value of MPC MPS and what is the value of MPC plus MPS equal MPC plus MPS equal what kenuka hibo pare both types of question so next all primary deficit equal fiscal deficit kiye interest payment so primary deficit equal fiscal deficit minus interest payment and next what is which of the following is not a quantitative credit controls measures of the central bank here whole direct control it's not it's a qualitative measure direct control to ki whole qualitative measures hoy so next one merit of flexible changes rate merit it allows automatic adjustment of balance of payments no need for government intervention and next what is the GDP deflator a GDP deflator is an index that measures the price level of all goods and services include GDP deflator equal nominal GDP by real GDP into X ekidu hol formula okay calculation GDP deflator calculation kora formula hoy answers any 5 of the following question edu soa difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure and capital expenditure hol capital expenditures for long-term assets for day-to-day expenses to add assets no assets creation example building roads example paying salaries next question what are the components of high powered money answer to all high powered money equal currency with public plus cash reserve of commercial banks plus other deposits of RBI and next what are the transactions included in the capital account of balance of payment capital transaction includes our FDI FPI loans and borrowings banking capital sell purchase of assets next define personal income and personal disposable income a personal income total income received by individuals from all resources before tax tax নিদিয়াৰ আগত যিখিনি ইনকাম ৰিচিভ হয় সেইটো হ'ল personal income and personal disposable income hol personal income minus direct taxes income left after paying taxes ajikini payment after tax diar pisot pai hedu hol personal disposable income as a resource of increase in investment by rest to 125 crores national income increased by 500 crores calculate the value of the multiplier if investment increased by 125 crore and national income increased by 500 crores security ki hobo 500 by 124 equal 40 hobo so distinguish between stock and flow measured at a point of time measured over a period of time example hol capital wealth example income statement investment right any two implication of revenue deficit two implications of revenue deficit indicates the government is not earning enough to cover its regular expenses and next two may lead to borrowing or disinvestment increasing fiscal burden so everyone's সেইখিনি আছিলে next video আমি বাকি কুৱেশ্যন কেইটা কভাৰ কৰিম চ' তোমালোকে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি লোৱা এণ্ড কিপ ৱাচিং এভৰিৱান চি ইউ ইন দ্য নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'